In this example, we see two pie charts. Each break down target sales, one by product category and one by store type. The planning sheet below allows users with appropriate rights to change target sales by product category and store type. By increasing the daily sales drivers for express stores by $50 and then saving those changes, when we come back out to view the charts, we can see the immediate impact to those charts, and those changes push across the entire model. In other areas of the model, region, area, and store managers can then make adjustments to each store based on their unique requirements.